Have you ever felt the pain of high international transfer fees, slow processing times, and complex currency exchange rates? In today's globalized world, businesses need seamless, efficient, and cost-effective financial solutions. Traditional banking systems often fall short in meeting these needs. Enter Airwallex, a groundbreaking financial platform designed to empower businesses to operate globally without borders. Key benefits: borderless payments. Simplified cross-border transactions. Airwallex streamlines international payments, making it easier to send and receive money across borders. Multiple currency accounts. Hold and manage multiple currencies in one place, eliminating the need for multiple bank accounts. Competitive exchange rates. Benefit from competitive exchange rates, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Global cards. Physical and virtual cards. Choose from a range of physical and virtual cards for your business needs. Real-time spending insights. Track your expenses in real time with detailed transaction history. Enhanced security features. Protect your business with advanced security measures. Business accounts. Streamlined account management. Manage your finances efficiently with a user-friendly online platform. Automated payment reconciliation. Save time and effort with automated reconciliation. Dedicated account manager. Get personalized support from a dedicated account manager. API integration. Customize your financial workflow. Integrate Airwallex's powerful API into your existing systems. Automate payments and reconciliation. Streamline your financial processes and reduce manual effort. Build bespoke financial solutions. Create tailored financial solutions to meet your specific business needs. Why Airwallex over traditional banks? Faster transactions. Experience significantly faster processing times compared to traditional banks. Lower fees. Save money with competitive fees and transparent pricing. 24/7 global support. Get round-the-clock support from a dedicated team of experts. Advanced technology. Benefit from cutting-edge technology that simplifies your financial operations. Real-world use cases. E-commerce businesses. Simplify cross-border payments, manage multiple currencies, and optimize your global operations. Freelancers and consultants. Get paid faster, manage your finances efficiently, and expand your client base internationally. Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, streamline your financial processes, reduce costs, and focus on growing your business. Ready to take your business global? Sign up for an Airwallex account today and experience the future of finance. With Airwallex, you can break down financial barriers and unlock new opportunities for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.